Gold and silver dropped sharply yesterday again, where we have seen gold moving towards 2290 and silver towards 2660-70 zone. And then later on, we have seen a very smart recovery where we have seen gold coming again towards 2320 and silver above 2720. Now, what to expect today from these two metals? Can we expect the downtrend to continue, or there is a possibility of a reversal? If yes, how to profit, where to buy, where to sell, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Remember, in my weekly review, in my daily review, we discussed 2290 levels several times. And this is the beauty of level, that at least it has achieved the levels before recovering. So now, how to profit today? We will see. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus, watch that as well. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, if you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do subscribe and comment as well. Let's start. First, we look into followed with silver. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly chart, see, this was the bearish trend here. It has stabilized here, recovery, lower highs. It has failed to break these highs here, and thus we have to now wait for it to break. And I have shared yesterday as well, only reversal confirmation is only if it breaks beyond 2340-42 zone. Right now it appears it is getting a good resistance here at 3032, but also if you look at it, is forming a nice formation here. So we can possibly look at gold striking again towards 2330-32 zone, and if it breaks this, then we can look forward to 2340 levels. If you look at the moving averages, these have started to converge, and right now we can also see gold is getting support at around 2314-15 zone. That is also a very good support zone. Look at MACD. This is trying to trade bullish, looking upwards. RSI and stochastic both are also trying to trade bullish here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has come towards 20 period moving average. Now, after forming slight retracement candles, see, the body size is getting diminished here, and now it is trying to rise. So once it breaks beyond this zone at 2330-32, we can look forward to 2340, and in fact we can look forward to 2350 levels as well. But as long as it stays below this zone at 2330-32, we should not be treating gold for the reversal at least. At the same time, if you see it trading below 2315-14 levels and then 2310 levels, if these two levels are taken, you can look forward to, because see, it is trying to create a bearish channel, and if it stays on the downside here, we can look forward to the lows at around 2284-85, which is going to be the lows here. Look at MACD. This is divergent, bullish, looking upwards, and since this crossover has come at a lower levels, it can try to pull back the prices a little on the upside. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable. Stochastic dropping here. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, we can see here forming the double bottom. It is trying to bounce. I will wait for the next candle, and specifically, yes, you can buy here at 2326 also, but then this is going to be slightly riskier. We have to wait for it to break beyond this zone 2330-32 and see the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 50 period moving average all coming together here in between 2335-40, making it a very good resistance zone here. If you look at the MACD, it has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trading with divergence. It can try to stay bullish. RSI rising, stochastic has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, a step is created. Previous candle is a doji candle with higher lows coming from the pivot here. I will wait for this candle. If it breaks beyond this zone 23, 25, 26, possible reversal can be confirmed. Else what will it may try to do? Creating lower highs, it can again try to come down. And breaking below 23, 14, 15 is where we can say that the bears will take over, and we can see a symmetrical formation here. Also, if you look at right now, I can definitely see that it is trying to create a bearish channel. So most importantly, it has to break beyond this zone at 2340-42 in order to confirm reversal. MACD is trying to converge, RSI is staying flat, and stochastic near to top. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts and I share the trading strategy and levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. In this batch, in this mentorship sessions, we share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Do not miss to join. Cherish the learning for life. Join this journey. Reach out to me for details. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can trade profitably. If you and reach out to me for queries related to either the signals channel or the mentorship batch. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade safe, which is available across the globe, which is a secured broker, and yes, which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description as well. Now coming to the daily, see what has happened on the daily charts. You must notice prices were divergent here from the 20 period moving average. Here we have seen a sharp fall. It has precisely achieved the 20 period moving average. Yesterday we have seen it breaking on the downside. Now see, the body size is very small and there is a bigger tail available on the downside. This confirms that there is stronger support for gold on the downside. That is one thing very clear. Next thing is, I will not consider this for a reversal unless and until gold breaks beyond this zone, that is 2340 42 levels. If and only if gold stays above this, you can say now it is reversing and we can look forward to in fact 2360 levels. Else the probability of it delivering lower highs towards 2330 35 and then reverse from there trading downside, this is one probability we should not miss, because ultimately the candle yesterday is a red candle, though it has come with a very small body size. However, I'll still treat this as bearish, and then today's move is going to decide the direction it is willing to take. If you look at the MACD, now look at MACD, and this is why I say I will not consider this as a bullish reversal. See the divergence here. The price crossover has come at extremely higher levels, and we discussed this in our multiple updates that this is coming at a higher level at plus 60, and this should try to continue on the downside. Only thing is, this is too much of divergence. So even if it tries to converge a bit, maybe giving couple of greener candles, which means it can try to pull the prices higher towards 2360 or 2380 levels before taking the downturn again. So this is something you should watch out for. RSI coming down here, and our stochastic is also dropping. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today as 2326 and wait for 2330, 2332 first target zone, 2335, 36 the next, and 2340, 42 the third. Very nearby, but these are good resistances. Only and only if it stays above 2340, 42 zone, we can say now gold is reversing, and I will target towards 2350 levels, and beyond that 2360 to 63 levels are also possible if it reverses completely. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at around 2314 levels. Below 2314, we can look forward to 23810 zone as the first target, 2302 as the next, and below which you can expect it to move towards 2290 and 2284. 2284 is one level which I will be looking forward to, which is a very good support. So take your positions accordingly. Any drop below 2284 should bring more bearishness towards 2260 levels. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver here on the hourly charts, after dropping here, it has come to the same zone from where the drop is initiated, and it is finding a good resistance here at 2740. So yes, if you see it is staying above 2740, you can buy here. But remember, 2755 50 60 zone is the first resistance zone, and then 2780. Only and only if it breaks beyond 2780, we can say now the prices are reversing. What we can definitely see here is a good formation which can in fact take it towards 2750 60 zone at least. That is something which I'll be looking forward to. But look at the resistance here at 2740. Very strong resistance is observed here. If you look at MACD, this is divergent bullish. RSI and stochastic both are rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, prices have achieved the 20 period moving average, getting a little resistance here, and thus it is very important for it to now break beyond 2740 and 2760 zone, beyond which little bullishness can be confirmed here. Yes, after this drop, it is trying to retrace. It can try to retrace in fact towards $28 levels. MACD divergent in bullish, RSI rising, stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, one bullish candle retracement and again trying to bounce back. Yes, a move about 2340, 2740 and 2760 is where we can say more bullish momentum is going to prevail. Be careful of 2740-60 zone. Very good resistance exists here. MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI rising and stochastic overbought here. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise, if you look at 4 hour chart, see lower highs in this candles confirm there is a push from the upside, which is uh, acting as a barrier for silver here. Thus, it is important for it to stay above 2740, and if it stays above 2740, there you can say that we are looking forward to rise towards 2760 and plus levels. MACD trying to converge, RSI rising, stochastic overbought here. Coming to daily. Likewise, on the daily chart, see the candle is started with the tail here. It is trying to rise. You can look forward to 2740-60 zone. And in fact, 2780 is also possible here if it continues to rise. But remember, these are going to play a greater resistance for silver for any upward move. Yes, you can buy here at 2740. When you see the lower prices above 2740, you can initiate a buying entry here, but with little caution. 2760, 2780, very good resistance, and then ultimately $28 levels. If it stays above 28, we can say now silver is trying to reverse. On the down, see MACD here is divergent and bearish, and it is looking downwards, and it is not much of a scope on the downside. RSI has dropped and stochastic has dropped as well. So looking at this, a selling entry I will recommend is only and only if you see it is staying below 2710. Below 2710, we can look forward to again a drop towards 2690, 2680 levels, first target. And then if it drops below 2680, this time we are looking forward to 2650 and 2620 levels as the next targets. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 2710 and 2740 levels. And if you're trading, you have to trail your stop losses specifically on the upside. As long as 2780 levels are not taken, you have to trail your stop losses today. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.